Hey everybody, good morning everyone. Look at us. This is HSR layout. In the morning, people are jogging.
Very.
Almost 7:15 in the morning. So another day, another ride. Today, Combs and me, we are going to which place, Combs?
Horseshoe Hill.
Horsley Hills for a breakfast ride. I think there's some marathon or something here, guys. So you're right,
There's a marathon scene.
marathon or something.
Even I want to go for a marathon.
Look at all these fit people, my god, so inspiring. So yeah, we are going to Horsley Hills today. Our plan was to leave around 6, but it was so cold that we waited it out. It was 13 degrees and without sun, 13-degree temperature on a motorbike. We were like, no, let's wait it out. Anyways, it's just a breakfast ride. So Horsley Hills is in Andhra Pradesh and it is 170 you can say kilometers from my home. I've already done 4 kilometers. So I am going to take this Kyarpuram Outer Ring Road from this route,
My office.
Komali's office route. From here we are going to,
यो बाटोले मलाई छोडेन.
so yeah, we are going to take this road, Komali's office route, and from here to Kyarpuram. Then we'll climb onto the Kyarpuram bridge and go towards Hoskote. Way before you go
Oh,
towards,
look at the sunrise.
wow guys, look at that. Sun
I've
has,
seen the sunrise after ages. I've never seen the sun.
yeah, even when we are riding we go on the opposite direction, no, most of the time. So yeah, this is not sunrise. Sun has already risen, but it looks like sunrise because of cloud cover. Today is Saturday, but still there is office traffic as it is already 7. गुड मर्निङ छ सबैजनालाई. हामी आज फेरि अर्को राइडमा निस्केको छ. ब्रेकफास्ट राइड गरेको होर्सली हिल्स. यहाँबाट 160 किलोमिटर 168 किलोमिटर जति टाढो छ. अन्त हामी जाँदैछौँ, गएर फर्किने आज. अन्त अहिले हामी कोमलीको अफिस जाने बाटोमा छ है कोमली. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll update you once we get out of this heavy traffic.
यही हो मेरो बिल्डिङ.
कोमलीको अफिस क्रस गर्दैछ. हामी आज स्याटरडेको दिन पनि आउनु पर्यो है अफिसपट्टि.
यहीँबाट हो भित्र जाने चाहिँ. उयो हो.
के भन्छ यो बिल्डिङलाई चाहिँ?
7 वर्ष भइसक्यो यहाँबाट. 6 वर्ष कम्प्लिट भएर 7 इयरको स्टार्ट.
हाम्रो है के भन्छ यो बिजनेस पार्कलाई चाहिँ? हिलियोस बिजनेस पार्क.
कहीँनिर उयो के भन्छ
खानु भन्दा टाइम बुढोले
डोसा खानु.
10 किलोमिटर भयो घरबाट निस्केको. 10 किलोमिटरमा खाइदिइहाल्नु बेबी.
ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम त भइसक्यो.
बेङ्गलोरबाट निस्केर खम होइन, बेङ्गलोरबाट मतलब अहिलेको हाइवेमा पुगेर खम होइन.
पनि आयो.
Kyarpuramको ब्रिज क्रस गरिहालौँ न. This is Kyarpuram. We've reached Kyarpuram. My god, so much traffic, so much chaos. Garbage also, you know, lot of garbage dumped on the side of the road. Kyarpuram आइपुग्यो हामी. This is Kyarpuram. So we need to take a U-turn and get onto the Kyarpuram bridge. ढिलो हिँड्यो भने चाहिँ यस्तो हुन्छ. This is what happens if you move late. So the time is 7:36. 7:40 मा चाहिँ हामी यहाँ आइपुग्यो. 7:10 मा हिँडेको. मजाक छ है यो ब्रिज है, सस्पेन्सन ब्रिज. So second time I'm on this bridge on a bike. Now from here यताबाट चाहिँ घाम हेर्नु होस्कोटे. यहाँ चाहिँ हेर्नु चाहिँ लो पुरा फुल दोकान रहेछ. फुलै फुल. आम्मामामामाम.
फुल दोकान होइन हौ, माला दोकान.
माला दोकान रहेछ. माला दोकान, फुलको माला दोकान. सकिँदैन त हौ. आम्माम कति लामो छ हौ. के र ट्राफिक हो आम्माम, जहाँ हेऱ्यो त्यही ट्राफिक. Finally the roads have opened up little bit. Crazy traffic. होइन अब त अलिक भए पनि खोल्यो नि त अहिलेको भन्दा बाइक 80मा कुद्नु थाल्यो नि त अब त टुडे इज अ फगी डे एज यु क्यान सी इन फ्रन्ट मजाको फग लागिरहेको छ घाम आउँदैछ यताबाट टोल होस्कोटे टोल वी हेभ रिच्ड होस्कोटे टोल गेट
किन बाइकलाई चाहिँ नियन्त्रण लिनु हो है
बाइकलाई बाइकले टु विलरले त्यति साह्रो रोड ड्यामेज गर्दैन भनेर होला
ए अरू जग्गामा त लिन्छ फेरि
होइन कोही कोही जग्गामा चाहिँ लिन्छ
यो ग्लोभ्सले पनि तातो चाहिँ बनाउँदैन रहेछ
नेसनल हाइवे क्या नेसनल हाइवेहरूमा चाहिँ लिँदैन के अरे यो ग्लोभ्स तातोको लागि कहाँ हो त हो यो त लेदर ग्लोभ्स हो सो वी जस्ट क्रस्ड होस्कोटे टोल गेट स्टिल 2 hours 50 minutes away from our destination
आज त म मोमो खान्छु जे डिनरमा आज चाहिँ आइम गोइङ टु हेभ
खै यहाँ राम्रो जग्गै छैन कहाँबाट मगाउनु अन्त यतै बस्नु पऱ्यो किनभने नि कहाँबाट अहिले एक्जिट गर्नु भन्छ याद हुँदैन कि बरु
आज हामी बामिजबाट मगाएर खाने बिपिला
एक्जिट गरिदिन्छु ल यहीँबाट सो यस आई हेभ एक्जिटेड द हाइवे ठिकै छ बामिजमा एउटा मगाएर खाउँ न होइन बेबी तिमी कस्तो डिनर सोचेको अहिले नै पर्खर यहाँ ब्रेकफास्टको जग्गा खोलिएको छैन कहीँ पनि
लन्च
ए लन्च प्लान गरेको हो आई थट युआर प्लानिङ फर डिनर
आफ्टर वी गो ब्याक
ओके सो यहाँबाट चाहिँ उयो जाँदो रहेछ चिन्तामणि इज 46
चिन्तामणि
माई गॉड लुक एट दिस गाइज द फग सो कोल्ड
पोल्युसन हो
फग हो नि हौ so cold today so yeah stopped here for a loo break now onward from this petrol pump my god sun is come out finally घाम चाहिँ अब है बेबी अलिक भए पनि तात्तिँदैछ है घाम निस्केर यस्तै छ बाटोघाटो जाँदैछु अब मजाले बिस्तारै आज एकदमै स्लो राइड हुँदैछ आज
अलिक स्पिड कुदाउ अब ल
खै अन्त गाडीहरू ओभरटेक गर्छ सिङ्गल लेन छ लुक एट द फग लुक एट दिस गाइज फग इज बिकम थिकर एकछिन यतिमा मात्रै बसेको रहेछ है फेरि यहाँ अलिकति खोल्यो जाडो रहेछ है थर्मल लाएर पनि My wedding ring is slipping inside the gloves. It's slipping off my fingers, baby. हात सुकेर So we are here in Nandi Grand and we are finally found.
ब्रेकफास्ट खानु आँटेकै अब हामी डोसा बडा त कफी के को चाहिँ प्लेन अर्डर गरेको छ अब हामी खान आँटेको ल Let me see how is the masala. Just a sec. Bye. What did you order for you?
I ordered masala dosa and black coffee
And vada.
and vada dip. So yeah, there is a small toll gate here. Right before this toll gate, we've done 62 kilometers from home. Right before this toll gate, there is this Nandini Grand restaurant. So you guys can eat here.
There is a lake.
अब चाहिँ मजा आउनु थाल्यो यो रोडमा मजा आउनुको लागि चाहिँ निकै पर्खिनु पर्दो रहेछ तर कुकुर कतिवटा देखिसक्यो मैले द्याट इज वाइ रिगार्डलेस अफ हाउ गुड योर बाइक इज हाउ फास्ट इट क्यान गो होइन जति नै छिटो गयो पनि इन्डियन रोड्स आर एब्सोल्युटली नट सेफ डग क्याटल क्यान एनी टाइम रन into the road, monkeys, so you have to be very mindful of your pace. ऊ बाँदर हो भने नि एज आई वाज सेइङ देख्यौ बाँदर आएको
तिमी देखेको थिएन बाँदर
देखेको थिइनँ नि हो त्यही भन्दै थिएँ मैले क्या इन्डियन रोड एकछिन आँखा हटाएको एकछिन फ्यु सेकेन्ड्स रोडबाट आँखा हटायो
अब त म जे देख्छु सबै भन्छु म त्यो बाँदर मुद्दाबाट आएकै देखेको
That is what happens even if you remove your attention from the roads for few seconds. A monkey jumped in front. So we crossed some checkpost kind of place. The good roads, the wide good roads have come to an end there. The roads have become narrow. And अब चाहिँ यहाँदेखि चाहिँ बाटो न्यारो भयो अलिकति पटहोलहरू पनि देख्दैछ यो गाडी हामीलाई गरेको होइन ल क्याटल क्रसिङ कहाँ हो गोरु गाईहरू देशी गाई देशी गाई
गाई उयो गर्दैछ
के रे बेबी
राम्रो ब्रिड होइन होला भने
यहाँको ब्रिड हो लोकल ब्रिड इन्डियाको लोकल ब्रिड देशी ब्रिड देशी गाईको घिउ भनेर सुनेको छैनौ देशी घीको लड्डुहरू भनेर उनीहरूकै त हो घिउ उनीहरूकै दुधबाट निकाल्छ
त्यो अर्को मोटो मोटो गाई चाहिँ के हो यहाँ इन्डियामा हुने
कुन चाहिँ मोटो मोटो गाई
अर्को खालको गाई देख्छ नि हामीले त्यो चाहिँ के हो हाम्रो बेङ्गलोरमा पुग्यो नि
त्यो त गोरुहरू हो नि
यस्तो खालको यो ब्ल्याक एन्ड व्हाइट चाहिँ के हो
हलिस्टन काउसहरू हुन्छ ब्ल्याक एन्ड व्हाइट मिक्स भएको हलिस्टन भन्छ अब त्यस्तो कतिवटा ब्रिड हुन्छ अब
ब्ल्याक एन्ड व्हाइट राम्रो कि सेतो
म नि डाइरी फार्ममा काम गरेको मान्छे हो कि पहिला क्या मेरो बुढा गाई थियो डाइरी फार्ममा काम गर्थ्यो कि सब याद छ मलाई मङ्गुस कुदेर गयो पहिला त म दुध दुन्थेँ हो गाईहरूको ब्रिडिङ गर्थेँ सबै याद छ मलाई
तिमी त हो च्याप्टाउने खसीलाई वेलकम VSS
वेलकम हर्सले हिल्स
destinations for a breakfast ride is
there is a toll free here
it is
50 rupees entrance. Sir, UPI. So yes, now we climb finally Ghats. There's a small lake here too.
So many lakes.
This lake looks better actually, greenery all around. So guys, see, now we have entered the Horsley Hills. 155 kilometers to this check post. Now let's see how many kilometers of hill ride. So yeah, finally on the hills.
Yay!
And the intercom is somehow working now.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Hairpin number 1.
What is wrong with this scooty?
Uncle is going very slow. There is nothing there, so I will just overtake him. Nice, feels like Nandi Road, no?
Yeah, but it's long.
Again started braking. It actually feels like Nandi Road. Hairpin number 2.
Really, it's like Nandi.
Nice guys, look at this. Wow, so nice. People have stopped here on this rock slope. Oh, look at the view this side. Nice.
Picnic खेल रहा है पर तो यहाँ.
Hairpin number 3. So better to take your side from the middle like this, and then you take the turn so that you don't go towards the wrong side when you're exiting. I've seen lot of videos, lot of vlogs where people don't make the right turn on hills, like the correct way to turn on hills. They stick to their side, but when they're exiting they go off to the wrong side. That is very dangerous. So when you're entering the turn, enter from the center always, you know, when you're doing the left turn. Right hand side turn also same thing. Enter from the middle and go towards the outside. So from the middle like this, and exit speed will increase.
Today, the sun is also not very strong. Very nice.
Wow, nice.
Here na baby same Nandi. Ajay peaceful.
Nandi the Saturday Sunday the no going on. Wow, so nice. Peaceful. The smell of fresh earth is also very rejuvenating.
Yes.
Nice guys, look at this. Finally, after so much of traffic and like irritating, tiring but non-enjoyable roads, finally little stretch where you can actually enjoy, go into the sink.
यहाँ फोटो खिच्छ अहिले
Lake Ocean Pond.
केही लेक छ यो जग्गामा. It's 1000 times more beautiful than the.
Yeah, more green. Even in winter it is so green.
It's
Right
so
now, even in
nice.
December, it is so green. This is the fall season actually, but even now it is so green.
Wow, look at this. Look at the tree. You will not find this.
People, I get why people say mini Ooty of Andhra, because it actually feels like Ooty, climb. Welcome to Horsley Hills. I don't know if it is this side or this side. Map is showing this side, so let's go this side first. This is it. We have arrived. There is a resort of some kind here, but I don't know where is the viewpoint or what is the viewpoint. Where do we need to go? I have no idea. Outside vehicles are not allowed, only guests. Oh, this is the resort. This road goes back. Let me ask that auntie. You auntie Lesodan.
See,
इधर से हाँ उधर से
त्यहीबाट.
थ्याङ्क यू. जुन चाहिँ बाटो आएको त्यही बाटो हो भन्दैछ. देयर आर रेस्टुरेन्ट्स हियर, मल्टी कुजिन रेस्टुरेन्ट, lot of homestays.
यहाँबाट जान्छ.
I think it is this side. It is this side the viewpoint.
म झडौँ.
किन झर्न कहाँ जान्छौ? Now little bit of off-roading. This is map doesn't show this guys. So once you come here, यहाँ आएपछि चाहिँ you have to go inside this off-roading mud road to यहाँदेखि the stairs first. लु झर.
झरे ल.
ल.
अय्या.
Yes, the destination. Finally we have arrived. Where baby? कहाँ आइपुग्यो हामी?
भन्नेको जग्गाको नाम चाहिँ हो Horsley Hill.
View so clear. This is it in terms of the destination. So it was just 7 kilometers hill ride.
बाफ्रे जाडो भयो.
खै यस्तो छ.
म चाहिँ यता घाममा उभिन्छु.
आम्मामा निकै हाइटमा लाग्दो रहेछ.
हाँ?
निकै हाइट लाग्दो रहेछ यो नन्दी भन्दा.
है?
The view is like this. I don't know why she's feeling so cold.
Very cold.
It's not very cold, but
It is very cold.
she is literally shivering. She's from Korsiong, by the way, near Darjeeling. Look at this view. यस्तो चाहिँ भ्यू चाहिँ ए भागेछ आउ न हौ फोटोहरू खिच्नु.
यहाँ घाममा जाउँ न
घाम पो लाग्नु लाग्यो अरे यस्तो छ उहीँ तल जाउँ न त्यसो ढुङ्गामा
तल
उहीँ तल ढुङ्गामा चिप्लो छ होला है हेर त हुन्छ जाउँ बिस्तारै जाउँ
अब यो त डेन्जर रहेछ है बेबी यहाँदेखि टाढो नजाउँ उहाँ र
ल पक्रिन राखिरहनु पक्रिन छिया के भएको कमाइ तिमी यस्तो
लु
अझै लु अरे के लु
खिच न।
खिचिरहेको छु त
ए
भयङ्कर बुझ्दैन लु अरे this is it actually. There is not much to see here at the top.
None.
Resort there and some resort park, and I saw there is a small zoo kind of thing as well. If you want to, if you're
Where?
into those kind of things inside the resort. I saw in one vlog, but we don't want to, I think, look at captive animals like that. We don't encourage that, but yeah, now we'll head down now.
यस्तो माथि आएर घाममा नबसेर चाहिँ
मैलाहरू हुन्छ बेबी यस्तोतिर
के को मैला हो ढुङ्गा हो यो यहाँ बसौँ न एकछिन
बसौँ न त अन्त टाढो
बसौँ न हौ यहाँ
ल के हो घाम ताप्न आएको यत्रो टाढो बेङ्गलोरबाट के हो यस्तो She is come to soak up the sun from Bangalore all the way 170 kilometers.
त पछाडिपट्टिबाट है हँ पछि
So we are leaving the viewpoint.
Yay!
Horsley Hill done and dusted. आयौँ हामी हेऱ्यो यो जग्गा हो मजाको राइड पनि भयो सर्ट त होइन one day को लागि अलिक लामै हो तर भयो it is slightly longer for a breakfast ride up and down 170 160 kilometers up and down 300 kilometers 310 315 kilometers up and down. But yeah, there are eateries like this, guys. If you want to eat something, you want to have coffee or something.
No.
So if you want to have coffee or something, you can drink coffee or eat. We ate on the way, so not feeling like eating. This hill ride was 9 kilometers from the check post down there, from the gate, not gate, from where they collected this entry fee from to this point was 8 kilometers. For this 8 kilometer beautiful hill ride, and the destination itself coming from Bangalore is not worth it, is what I feel. What do you feel, Kubs?
I think there are better places within 100 kilometers in
Correct.
Bangalore.
Correct.
This is too far away and the destination is not that great.
Yeah, this short 9 kilometer hill ride is very enjoyable. So yeah, but still it's a destination which we hadn't been to. We hadn't come here before. So त्यसको लागि मात्रै हामी पहिला आएको थिएन भनेर मात्रै आएको हो. Only for that we came here. My god, where are these people going? Now 4 hours to home. Nice offbeat destination though, you know, not very touristy.
There was hardly anyone.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is, I think, it. Our Horsley Hill ride. Horsley Hill ko ride चाहिँ यही हो. अब I think I'll stop the video now. Thanks for tuning in. Whoever tuned in.
हामीसँग बसिरहेकोमा धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद. यसरी माया पर्छाइरहनुहोस् तपाईँको हाम्रो सुनाउनु परिवारमा.
कहाँबाट सिक्यो यस्तोहरू? तिमीले खाना खाने भ्लगरबाट सिकेको है? नेपालको खाना खाने भ्लगरबाट सिकेको छ है कमेडी भ्लग बनाउनु. हाम्रो घरको मान्छेहरू कसले हेरिदिनु भयो. Thank you. Love. Bye bye. See you on the next one. Duo Traveler signing.
Oh.